Okay, today we got a 2.4 liter Dodge Avenger doing an oil pan gasket, and I just want to show y'all a quick little tip. So they say you got to remove the AC compressor, the belt, and all that to get the AC bracket out, but apparently that's not true. So here's your AC bracket. You can see it's only held in by 4 bolts. There's 3 of the holes right there. There's one in that little groove right here, 2 on the outside. They're all 13 millimeters. There's one on the front that goes through the AC compressor itself right there. But so I just removed these 4 bolts, right? But as you can see, the belt is still on the AC compressor. The AC compressor is still on, but the belt is still on. The bracket goes right there in the corner. But you can take out that bracket without moving the belt. At least in my case, I did. So instead of removing the entire AC compressor, I just removed the bracket. And then you just got you got 2 more 13 millimeter bolts right there, and the rest are 10s. And you just want to clean up all that RTV on there, and clean up all the RTV right here. And then you just want to put a very thin coat down, and then so they give you some with your new gasket. So just put a real thin coat, very thin. And apparently on this one, it looks like they put it on both sides. But definitely just put a little bit on the bottom, just a very thin coat, maybe not on the top. Reinstall and add oil. Make sure you drain the oil also. I changed the oil in the filter on this one, and just reinstall. You should be good to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.